Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Conversations. Firstly, if you haven't already, make sure to check out Moomoo. Right now you can get up to 15 free stocks, each stock potentially valued up to $2,000 a share by using my link in the description below. Right now you could also earn a 5.1% APY on your invested cash on Moomoo. So go ahead and check out Moomoo first. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Today we have an exciting topic to dive into. We're going to explore the incredible world of options trading using Moomoo. Moomoo is a tool that I trust for stock information and analysis functions. So we'll be exploring how to use Moomoo's advanced options screener and options ranking tool to uncover potential trading opportunities. So let's first take a look here at Moomoo's exceptional options market page. So this feature serves as your gateway to a treasure trove of options trading information and insights. Here you can find the daily options market overview, explore potential indices, options activities, and so much more. So let's uncover the wealth of data available to us here. So of course, we can search up any stock. For example, we can search up Tesla. And of course, if we go to Tesla, we'll see all of the available options available for Tesla. We can, of course, go in here further and check out other important information like open interest. We have implied volatility, we have volume, and much more. Notice that on the left here, we have this panel, which actually right now is showing us stocks that we've recently viewed. So as you can see on the screen, Moomoo's options market page provides a comprehensive view of the options market. And so the daily options market overview gives us a snapshot of what's happening in the options world. Now, don't forget, we can actually click here to explore some other things. For example, indices, options, activities. So if we go to popular, we can go to, for example, index, and we can click high index options volume. Things like this can provide valuable insights into broader market trends. And with all this information at our fingertips, we'll be better equipped to make informed trading decisions. And so we can also, for example, go to stock and we have options like high stock options volume or even large stock options holdings here. Now let's discuss options ranking next. So in options trading, not all contracts are created equal. And so Moomoo's options ranking feature helps us identify opportunities by evaluating various factors like volume, volatility, open interest, and more. This can save us time and narrow down our choices to options that align with our trading goals. So to go to the options ranking page, we go up here. Notice there's multiple different tabs on top. We want to click on ranking here. This will take us to Moomoo's options ranking page. And so as you can see from here, right, we can go to, for example, stock here. And this is going to show us stocks that are ranked by total volume here. That could be a very important factor that maybe you're considering when it comes to trading. Now, you can also just look at, for example, total open interest instead. Or if you want to get even more specific, you can come in here, for example, and you can select, for example, daily open interest increase. And you'll actually see specific options in here. Now, again, we can do this for an index as well. So we can look at indexes, again, by total volume, total open interest, or many other options. And of course, there's a lot of other great features in here as well. So this is Moomoo's options ranking page. Now let's go ahead and move on to the next feature I want to cover here. So another valuable feature that we're exploring today is tracking unusual options activity. So firstly, how do we get to this feature? Again, if we go to the top here, there are multiple tabs here. we want to click on the unusual activity tab here. So let's go ahead and click on it here. So unusual options activity means keeping an edge on option contracts where large institutional investors or hedge funds have taken significant positions. This kind of activity can be a strong indicator of market sentiment and potential price movement. So as you can see here, we can use Moomoo to identify unusual options activity. This will allow us to filter unusual options activity according to the stocks or the size that you're interested in. And keep in mind, normally you would have to pay for this information, but here on Moomoo, you can get it in real time for free. So again, we could come in here and, for example, filter to only calls. You can filter by unusual activity side, for example, block buy. You can also filter by unusual activity time. Maybe you only want to view something that's happened, in the last 1 day here. You can even filter by a certain price, like we mentioned, size, premium, or even implied volatility. So again, on the right here, we have this list of unusual activity happening in the market. Now, unusual options activity can potentially be viewed as a powerful predictive indicator. When big players make significant moves, it can indicate their confidence in a particular direction for that stock. So this confidence can potentially translate into substantial price movements. So as a result, many traders and investors use this as a leading indicator, helping them anticipate where the stock might be heading next. Now, lastly, staying informed is key to successful trading. So daily options related news can provide insights into market events, earnings reports, economic data, and more, all of which can influence the options market. So Moomoo's platform provides options and general market news. So to find the news that Moomoo provides, we just need to go to the left here and notice there is a news tab here. So if we click on this news tab, here is where you can come to look at all of the great news that Moomoo's platform provides to us. So for example, we can read any of these articles in real time on the platform here. All of these are completely free to read. And of course, we can also, have different options here. For example, you can go to watch list here. You can go to positions. You can go to start. You can even go to calendar here and look, for example, for earnings reports, economic data, multiple different things here. But first, a word from today's sponsor, Moomoo. So right now with Moomoo, you could get up to 15 free stocks, each stock potentially valued up to $2,000 a share by using my link in the description below. Right now, you could also earn a 5.1% APY on your uninvested cash on Moomoo. So go ahead and check out Moomoo. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Thank you for sponsoring today's video. So today we learned how to use Moomoo's advanced option screener and ranking to find the right stock options, track unusual options activity, and stay updated with daily options related news. These features are valuable for traders looking to make informed decisions in the options market. So thank you for joining me in today's video. If you found this information valuable, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.